We will be replacing the factory halogen turn signal bulbs on this 2019 Honda Civic with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. To reach them, we will first remove the fender liner and the bottom cover. First, we will remove the two screws on the fender liner. To remove the bottom cover, we will need to remove these two locking tabs and this bolt. First, we will remove the bolt. Then we will pop out the two locking tabs using something flat. Then, we will remove the locking tab on the fender liner. Now, we can pull the fender liner back. This is the socket for the turn signal bulbs. Turn the socket counterclockwise and remove. Unplug the halogen bulb by pulling it directly out. Now we will replace it with new LED turn signal bulbs from Ayla Lighting. These turn signal bulbs from Ayla Lighting use a canvas driver instead of resistors to avoid hyperflashing and to increase its output and brightness. The driver does not overheat like resistors do. To install, push the bulb into the socket until the bulb is secure. The rubber ring holds the bulb in place, so there is no need to turn the bulb to lock. With the bulb installed, we can now replace the fender liner and bottom cover. Replace the locking tab and then the two screws. Make sure to tighten them down. Finally, replace the bolt and the two locking tabs on the bottom cover. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Here is a 2019 Honda Civic with all new LED turn signals from Ayla Lighting. You can see the difference in the brightness.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.